Today I'm doing another What I Eat in a Day video on the WW Personal Points Plan. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day to help me lose weight on the WW plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you along on what I do in the day and what I eat in the day on my WW Personal Points Plan. So come on along and share the day with me and we'll see what is going on today. Today I'm starting off my day with an iced coffee as usual with some Stoke coffee. And I'm adding the 0 sugar caramel macchiato. So it's going to be a 1-point iced coffee. For breakfast this morning, I am having some peanut butter toast with a banana. I am using this Better Than peanut butter spread. It is only 3 points for 2 tablespoons. So I have 1 tablespoon on each piece of bread. And that's going to be my breakfast along with my iced coffee. So that is going to be a 6-point breakfast, including the iced coffee. Taking a walk at the zoo today. It's a beautiful sunny day, free on Mondays. Today's a Monday. So that's where I'm getting some steps in today. After the zoo, we stopped at the mall and I had a quick Asian dish of orange chicken, vegetables, and rice, which I split with my granddaughter. So I'll put the points on the screen. For dinner, I heated up some spaghetti. I have this Fiber Gourmet light spaghetti. It's 110 calories a serving. And then I had 2 frozen bird ball meatballs in the freezer that I had made out of chicken and turkey. So the pasta is going to be 4 points and the meatballs are 2. And then I did 0 points worth of fat-free mozzarella on top. So that is a 6-point dinner. I wish I had a salad. I didn't have any lettuce to go with it, but if I had a salad, I would add a salad. Italian nights. I forgot to count the sauce. There is 3 points and a half a cup of the sauce. So this meal is going to be 3 points for the sauce, 6 points for the pasta, and 2 points for the meatballs. So remember, when you're doing a weight loss program, your desire to change must be stronger than your desire to stay the same. I know this was a short video. I had added some fruit at the end, forgot to take a picture of it, but that was all I had points for. I did use 33 points for the day. I ate a little bit more because of stopping at the mall, but I did share it with my granddaughter, so I don't know how accurate that is, so I did try to track it accordingly. But you can't have food like that on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.